out how to help a student if they are seeing this in their ISAT interim, saying no test available at this time. And it seems to be because they have been loaded into the wrong test. So I'll show you how to fix that if you come across a student that is saying they don't have any tests available. So first you wanna go to, the ISAT testing. So this is the same place that you were logging in to administer the test, but instead you're gonna come down here to this Tide portal, and so when you click on that, this is what it will look like. Well, actually, it won't look like this. You'll need to log in, and it's the exact same login that you took to for when you signed up to take that certification course. So it'll look like this, and what we wanna do is find a specific student. So we're not adding in students, we want to edit a student, so we're gonna click on that guy, and then we're gonna look up a student using their EDUID number. So I'm gonna find a student that we know had a testing error in, Q2 of 23. So I'm gonna just copy that EDUID. And then we need to select the school. So I know the student is in the high school, or you'll have to select you happen to know they're in the academy. And then we're gonna click search, and we can see the one result. So we're gonna say view results. And this is where we can see all of that information. And if you scroll over, you'll see this interim testing grade. And this is the indication that she's in the wrong test because in Q2 of 23, we were offering the math ISAT grade 10. She somehow entered into the grade 9. So we need to make an edit for that. And as I understand from the Thai people, that you would click this edit, and then somewhere in here, interim testing, maybe it's right here, but they have assured me that when you're actually in the testing window, there will be a option for how to select. Oh, so mathematics. Maybe it'll be right here, interim testing grade. But I've been assured that you can select the correct test if it's in the testing window, of which you would be because you would be testing that day. So it's not showing up for me, unfortunately, in this video because I'm outside of that testing window, but I have been assured that this is the process. So I'm not going to save anything, and then hopefully we would see that right there. So I'm like 80% confident on this, that this is the process just because I'm doing it outside of that testing window. I can't like say for sure this will work, but at least it's something that we can go off of and and practice, try and fix things as well. As I'm thinking about this in that troubleshooting, I'll also include the information on how to email the State Department for Tide, then you can include that student's EDUID number and what the problem is immediately. They seem to be pretty fast on their responses. So hopefully, if we have any other mistakes or errors in our interim testing, the combination of